everyone! I am excited to review this new product from Sansan. Foundation, concealer, and lipstick from Sansan. These are the HD or high definition. This is new. I think na-release to last month lang, last December. So, hindi lang ang Sansan HD foundation ang i-review ko today, but also itong concealer and the lipstick. Unahin muna natin itong Sansan HD High Definition Foundation with vitamins A, C, and E with SPF 30. Excellent coverage for skin imperfections for a healthier and naturally radiant skin. Oil-free liquid foundation blends superbly with any color cosmetics for a picture-perfect look. I got the beige. So, meron doon, I think, if I'm not mistaken, they have 3 shades. Merong natural, yun yung pinaka-lightest. And then they have beige. And yung darkest one is the olive. This is the first time na susubukan kong maglagay muna ng primer sa half side ng aking face. Most of the time, I get really oily. Pero I want to check para makita ko kung may difference siya. Okay? So, this is also suggested to me na para... Kasi parang necessity naman talaga, lalo na if you have really oily skin, it's a necessity to have a good primer first before you apply foundation or BB cream. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Kasi just to make sure na hindi magme-melt kagad, na magtatagal yung foundation or yung makeup ko, talagang nagpa-primer ako. Sobrang pula ng aking nose. And nagbabalat din siya. So, this is the perfect time para mag-review ng foundation. Ito ang itsura niya. Babasagin ulit yung kanyang packaging. I don't really like yung mga ganitong packaging. Mas maganda yung ganito, yung tube. Mas reliable, mas kampante ako. Kasi pag ganito talaga, madaling mabasag to eh. So anyway, has this violet na shiny cap. Pero sana yung cap lang yung shiny, wag yung face ko. And may pump din siya, which is good. It's not thick. Medyo liquidy. Pero hindi naman masyado. Saktong-sakto lang. Ay, naaamoy ko na. Oh, no. Ganun din yung smell niya. The same nung BB cream nila. Smells like, amoy Play-Doh. Ulit. Yun naman, yun last time ganun din eh. So, let's start. Naku, kung maselan kayo sa amoy ng foundation, hindi nyo magugustuhan to. Matapang yung amoy ng foundation. You know what? This is not easy to blend. I think I'm gonna use my fingers. Sasabihin ko na sa inyo, ngayon pa lang, parang ang hirap niya i-blend. Hindi ako sure kung dahil sa primer yon. Pero nung ina-apply ko siya, parang hindi ko na ginamit yung brush eh. Ginamit ko lang yung fingers ko kasi ang hirap niyang i-blend. Especially dito sa under eye area ko. Parang parang nahalata lalo yung fine lines ko under the eyes. I'm gonna apply dun sa kabila. Napapansin ko, with the primer on, mas shiny siya compared here. I don't know if you can tell. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Eh, yung primer is supposed to keep the oil at bay. Pero, parang mas shiny yung part na to. So, anyway, it's really hard to blend yung foundation. Kagaya niyan, parang bakit ganon? Hindi ko alam kung sa skin ko ba to or talagang hindi. Bakit ganon? Parang nag-aano siya, nagbubuo-buo siya sa dito sa nguso ko. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for the purpose of this review, sige, carry on. I forgot to say that it contains 25 ml itong bottle na to. I waited 15 minutes for it to set. Hindi ko masasabi na na-even out yung skin tone ko kasi parang may part na nag-accumulate yung foundation. So, kahit anong gawin kong pagbe-blend, right now, hindi naman siya nag-oxidize. Okay, pagdating sa pag-oxidize, hindi siya nag-oxidize sa skin ko. Kung ano yung color nung in-apply ko siya, ganun pa rin naman ngayon. Right now, ito naman ang itatry ko. This is the Sansan High Definition Concealer. It has vitamins A, C, and E, and SPF niya is 15. Excellent coverage for skin imperfections with high precision applicator to achieve a picture-perfect look. Pen type. And meron siyang brush sa dulo. It has 2.5 ml of the product. So, iti-twist lang natin siya para umangat yung... Hindi pa umaangat. So, ayun, nakikita ko na umaangat na siya. Lalagyan ko muna yung aking under eye area. And tatakpan ko rin yung mga blemishes ko kasi if you can see, hindi natakpan ng foundation yung aking blemishes. Yung concealer, wala naman siyang smell. I already have the concealer on my face and it's very easy to blend. Mapapansin mo kagad sa concealer, if it is good, yung pag-blend mo pa lang sa skin mo, pag maganda siya, it's easy to blend. It's a good concealer. Pero let's see if yung kanyang longevity, okay. I-apply ko muna yung makeup ko and I will be back. I already have my makeup on except for the lipstick. Kasi itatry ko tong kanilang HD lipstick. Provides full coverage with one application, formulated with vitamins A, C, and E, blah, 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 the same kagaya ng kanina for healthier and naturally radiant lips. Provides a creamy matte finish for a picture-perfect look. Pink pout, I got pink pout, and it looks like this. I'll be using a lip brush. It still transfers, pero minimal lang. And it's matte. It's really matte. Right now, okay naman yung shade na nakuha ko dun sa foundation and the concealer. Yung foundation, it's not lightweight ha. Actually, it's heavy. Hindi siya lightweight. Nandun siya sa heavyweight division. Yung concealer, wala akong problema so far. Okay siya, madali siyang i-blend. But yung foundation, parang hindi smooth yung finish niya sa akin. Hindi rin maganda yung coverage niya kasi nag-rely pa ako sa concealer just to provide coverage. It's 2:59 and I will be back later for an update. It's now 6:07, so it has been 3 hours since I applied. Yung lipstick, nag-retouch na ako once lang. Alam niyo yung natitira na lang yung sa dulo kasi kumain ako. Kung mapapansin niyo, I'm already oily sa lagi, T-zone. Alam niyo, napansin ko doon sa foundation, parang the same lang siya ng BB cream. Parang hindi ko ma-distinguish kung ano yung difference nilang dalawa. Kahit yung yung weight niya, nung in-apply ko, pag naglagay ka ng foundation, alam mo yung feel mo parang init-init. Ganun yung pakiramdam. So, I will be using a blotting paper. So, this is how much oil. It's been 3 hours and gusto ko nang tanggalin yung foundation. Really. Parang ayoko nang ipagpatuloy pa ito. Parang ang puti ng dito ko. Hindi naman ako nag-shave. Bakit maputi siya? Parang mayroong mga spot, kagaya nito. Para kung mayroong powder na nagbubuo dito sa area na to. It's malagkit. In fairness naman dun sa Sansan concealer. Hindi pumasok yung concealer dun sa fine lines, but hindi naman siya nagbubuo, pero you can see, parang mas lalong na-emphasize. Pero yung blemishes ko, yes, natakpan naman niya, in fairness. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo with flash. I already retouched. Ang ginamit ko is this Nichi The Final Powder ulit. Nag-okay naman. Hindi na ganun ka-shiny yung face ko. So, yun lang magiging katawang mo dito. Retouch ng retouch. I will be back later for my last update. It is now 10:44. Ngayon, ang masasabi ko lang talaga, hindi ko nagustuhan yung foundation. Nakakairita siya sa mukha. I'm sorry, Sansan. Okay lang naman yung concealer and the lipstick. At ano masasabi mo sa face ko? Oil. Oil. Yun,
kailangan ko ng oil.
Ito, sa face ko.
Ilalagay ko sa paa ko.
Ayan, pag ginawakan ko yung face ko, ayan ah. For its price, I'm not really expecting much kasi itong foundation, itong liquid foundation is only 195 pesos. Yung concealer is 105 Lipstick is 109. Yung concealer, maganda yung coverage niya and it's long-lasting. Sa nakikita ko, yung longevity niya, I was actually impressed. For its price, it's only 105 pesos. Maganda yung concealer nila. And the lipstick. Until now, I'm still wearing the lipstick and last retouch ko is around 6 PM and okay pa rin siya. This review again is based sa oily ang skin, okay? Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Yung foundation, I didn't like it, but the concealer and the lipstick, swak siya sa budget. And maganda yung kanyang performance. But the foundation, no, sorry. Hindi naman lahat ng products na works for me can also work for you. So, depende pa rin yan, okay? Pwedeng it works for you but it doesn't sa akin. Pwede rin naman sa akin, it works for me but it doesn't sa inyo. So, okay. So, I think that's it for my review. Nasabi ko naman lahat. Salamat sa panonood and see you again next time. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like my review and thanks for watching. Bye! And tatakpan ko rin yung mga blemishes ko kasi as you can see, tatakpan ko rin yung mga blemishes ko kasi as you can see, hindi... Come on! Balik tayo dun sa foundation. Hindi mo alam, sorry baby! Bad trip kasi yung mga nag-upload ng video na yan kasi ako naman, eto naman si Sarah, kung ano yung nangyari kay Bong Navarro. Wisit yung mga YouTube na video na yun, di tinitingnan ko kasi daw CCTV footage.